Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. On today's episode, we have a quick tutorial on how to remove a door handle that doesn't have any screws showing. So if you're trying to remove the door handle and there are no screws for you to remove around here, here's how you do it. To remove the handle, you want to look at the collar on both sides. It can be on either side of the door. And one of the sides should come loose, like that. A lot of times there's a little notch where you can get a screwdriver in there and kind of pop it out. If that side comes loose, then that's the side that has the screws in it. So what you're looking for is on the handle. This one has a little slot. Sometimes it's just a little hole. So you'll use a screwdriver in that slot to depress the little button that's inside of there, and then the door handle will come off. Here's a better look at what that slot looks like. So you're going to shove a screwdriver into that slot to push a button. And the button is right here that will release the door handle. Sometimes it's not a slot, it's a little tiny hole, and you'll need a little nail to stick in the hole. With the handle off, the collar will come off.
Then you can remove the screws that were behind that plate that will release the handle from the other side.
So now everything's off of this side of the door. So there's two screws in the plate on the front. Take those out. Remove the bolt piece, and the handle will come out the other side. That's how you remove a door handle that didn't have any screws showing. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.